Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Genshin Impact auto close problem easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you need to do just click here, right click and then click task manager and go to details. Now just go and open Genshin Impact and then just open Genshin Impact and come back here fast and scroll down. Come back here fast as you can and scroll down until you find applications. It starts with G, like this one here, and here you must find Genshin Impact, and that's it. Let's say that this is Genshin Impact. Right click on it, set priority and make it high. I don't mean to do it to this one here, just scroll down until you find Genshin Impact and right click on it, and that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.